Boost coffee, ako mas gusto ko to kasi strong coffee, low in sugar, okay? So maraming klase ng coffee beans, no? Merong Arabica, Liberica, no? So ano to? So ang ginagamit natin is Robusta, no? So Robusta kasi yung coffee beans na yan, low in acid sila. No, kaya yung ating Fusion at saka Boost Coffee, parehong Robusta coffee beans. Kaya lang ang Boost Coffee, meron silang Tongkat Ali. So, ito ay galing pa talaga sa Malaysia. Alam niyo yung mga raw materials natin, naggagaling pa sila sa ibang bansa. So, Tongkat Ali, native from Malaysia. So, it's commonly consumed to enhance sexual potency, but unknown to most people, it can also boost overall energy, no? So, para siyang Viagra. Kaya gusto-gusto yan ng mga lalaki. Tapos, meron pa siyang organic barley grass, okay? So watch the video.
Boost is the ideal coffee to help boost their endurance and performance. Start your morning with a cup of Sante Boost coffee. With a strong aroma and rich taste, Sante Boost coffee is a 15-gram concoction of Robusta coffee bean, Tongkat Ali from Malaysia, and organic barley grass powder from New Zealand, which helps in vitality and overall well-being. Brewed for active individuals, Boost coffee will provide you with the stamina and energy you need any time of the day. Boost coffee also contains Tongkat Ali, a key ingredient that contains concentrated quasinoid called uricamenon that increases testosterone level, leaving us with higher endurance. And of course, Boost coffee contains barley grass, a superfood that makes drinking coffee easy on the stomach.
Okay? So, again, iti-change nyo lang yung brand nyo. Wag nang bibili ng mga 3-in-1, 3-in-1 na nakakot-takot na mga asukal yan, di ba? Pero ang kagandahan, itong dalawang kape na to, meron silang barley grass. Okay? So, konti lang ang acid niyan. Okay? So, kahit na, acidica, pwede po yan. Okay? So, yung Robusta, ang tawag doon ay Canepora. No? Canepora beans widely known by the synonym coffee Robusta. Kasi sabi ko nga, iba-iba ang klase ng beans. Arabica, Liberica, Robusta type. Okay? So, yan po. Robusta. Is coffee good in an empty stomach? Sino sagot? Ano sagot? Okay, so kailangan wag pong umiinom ng kape pagkagising, kape ka agad, barley muna. Mag-barley ka muna para maproteksyahan, magkaroon ng protection yung digestive natin at saka magkape. Wag yung kagigising pa lang, magpapakulo ng tubig, magsasalang na kape ka agad. Wag. Dahil nasa Sante ka, mag-barley ka muna. Okay? So drinking coffee on an empty stomach could damage your stomach lining and cause indigestion and heartburn. It can even increase anxiety and hinder your ability to focus. So again, barley ka muna para naka-prepare yung inyong digestive system. Okay? Can women take Boost coffee? Oo naman. Kasi akala natin sa panglalaki lang siya. No? So actually, branding market, no, panglalaki kasi Fusion yung sa atin. Pero pang babae.